Toyota is adding yet another SUV to its lineup, and this one will wear the Crown Signia nameplate. As a crossover sibling to the Crown sedan, it replaces the Venza as Toyota's two-row, mid-size offering. A hybrid powertrain is the only choice, offering 243 horsepower and standard all-wheel drive. It provides more luxurious interior finishings than other Toyota models, with nicer materials and an upscale design, and it promises both more space and more capability, including towing, than the Venza. We expect it to cost significantly more as a result, however, and many premium features are available as options. Despite its luxurious bent, the Crown Signia will compete with mainstream models such as the Honda Passport, the Hyundai Santa Fe, and the Nissan Murano. The Crown Signia is a new offering, and it will fit into the Toyota lineup in a similar position as the Venza that it replaces. Larger than the compact RAV4 but smaller than the three-row Highlander, it will likely be more expensive than both. The Crown Signia will be offered in both XLE and limited trim levels, and we're basing our pricing estimates on the assumption that the SUV version will cost more than the Crown sedan. The monochrome front fascia, with its body-color grille and slit-like LED headlights, gives the Crown Signia a look akin to an electric vehicle. From the side, it reminds us more than a bit of the Volvo XC60, with similar glass shapes and chrome embellishments. But the rear is all Toyota, with the thin, body-width lighting. The Crown Signia comes with an all-wheel drive hybrid powertrain. It uses a 2.5-liter naturally aspirated 4-cylinder gasoline engine and 3 electric motors. This produces a total of 243 horsepower, and a continuously variable automatic transmission is standard. We haven't yet driven or tested a Crown Signia, so we don't know what its acceleration performance will be like, but we expect it to perform similarly to the Crown sedan's base 236 horsepower AWD hybrid setup. That model got to 60 miles per hour in 7.2 seconds in our testing. Neither Toyota nor the EPA have released fuel economy estimates for the Crown Signia. We expect it to come close to 40 miles per gallon in combined driving. Regardless of where the final numbers land, it will likely be far more fuel efficient than the non-hybrid offerings in the midsize SUV segment. When we get a chance, we'll take it on our 75 miles per hour fuel economy route and update this story with real-world test results. For more information about the Crown Signia's fuel economy, visit the EPA's website. The Crown Signia's interior is similar to the Crown sedans, with nice materials and a pleasant-looking dashboard design. The standard upholstery is a combination of cloth and vinyl in the XLE model, but the limited upgrades to leather seats. Available cabin features include leather-trimmed seating and a panoramic sunroof. Rear passengers get standard air vents, 2 cup holders, a rear bottle holder, seat back pockets, and 2 USB ports. Toyota also prioritized interior quietness with acoustic glass on the front side windows, a dash silencer, and an engine cover made of sound-absorbing materials. It's almost Lexus-like, to the point that folks looking at a Crown Signia Limited may be better served by an entry-level Lexus NX or RX. A 12.3-inch touchscreen is standard across the board, as is a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster. The central touchscreen offers wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, plus many other connectivity features including Wi-Fi, over-the-air updates, and a voice assistant. The XLE trim comes with a 6-speaker stereo, but upgrading to the limited swaps in an 11-speaker stereo tuned by JBL. Most of Toyota's latest driver assistance features are standard equipment on the Crown Signia. All models come equipped with automatic emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, pedestrian detection, blind spot monitoring, and lane departure warning with lane keeping assist. For more information about the Crown Signia's crash test results, visit the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration and Insurance Institute for Highway Safety websites. Key safety features include standard automated emergency braking with pedestrian detection, standard lane departure warning with lane keeping assist, standard adaptive cruise control. In the sedan, we found that the center console boxed in the driver, contributing to making the large car feel small inside. With the Crown Signia, the added height should help, and certainly the available panoramic sunroof would give the cabin some welcomed airiness. There's a suite of connected services with various lengths of free trials and necessary subscriptions. They include cloud-based navigation with Google Points of Interest, personalized maintenance updates, automatic crash notification, mobile Wi-Fi, and remote access via phone or smartwatch. The 2-row seating setup offers space for 5 passengers, and there's a generously sized cargo area that expands when you fold the rear seats. A panoramic sunroof is optional and makes for an airier feel, and both tan and black interior color options are available. Backseat passengers have vents, 2 cup holders, and 2 USB-C ports to placate them on road trips. The power liftgate has hands-free operation. There's a backseat release in the cargo area to save a step when loading from the rear. Available cabin features include leather-trimmed seating and a panoramic sunroof. Rear passengers get standard air vents, 2 cup holders, a rear bottle holder, seat back pockets, and 2 USB ports. Toyota also prioritized interior quietness with acoustic glass on the front side windows, a dash silencer, and an engine cover made of sound-absorbing materials. Toyota has yet to disclose dimensions, but the SUV will almost certainly offer more cargo space than the 4-door's 15.2 cubic feet, and possibly more headroom, too. The power liftgate has hands-free operation. There's a backseat release in the cargo area to save a step when loading from the rear. The Crown Signia can tow up to 2,700 pounds, less than what a traditional non-hybrid mid-sized SUV can pull. Toyota says the Crown Signia SUV will initially be available in 2 trim levels, XLE and Limited, not coincidentally what the lower 2 sedan trim levels are called. Look for them to land at dealerships come summer 2024. When it arrives, the Signia will likely be more expensive than the other Crowns. Pricing should start north of $42,000.